Hello, my full name is João Vitor Victorino Melo de Oliveira. I'm 24 years old and my birthday is on November 8th. I'm from Araras and I'm living with my parents. Their names are Valentina and José. We have 3 cats, Netuno, Leia and Jade. We love cats. I have one older brother, his name is César, and he lives in Campinas. César has a son, Vitor. He is a very intelligent child. I have a huge family, with many cousins, aunts and uncles. Many of them live in states of Goiás, São Paulo and Tocantins. I studied biology for 2 years and a half in UFSCar, but I didn't finish the course. Now, I'm studying psychology in FHO, Araras. I'm in the first year of the course, second semester, and I will graduate in 2020. I worked as a mathematics teacher for children. I also worked as a literature and biology teacher for teens and adults. I worked in IBDE for 2 years too. I adore working in a team. So, I love psychology because I can talk, listen, and help people with my work. The activities that I like to do are studying and watching movies. My favorite movies are Tarja Branca, The Lion King, Hugo, Vertigo, and others. I love reading books. My favorite is Fahrenheit 451. It has a very interesting story. I love listening music every day. I know the basics of informatics and management. And I'm learning English and Libras, Brazilian Sign Language, because I believe it will be good for my career and my life. My daily routine starts at 7 a.m. I wake up, have a breakfast, and I go to the university. In the afternoon, I work at home, study, and I eat some snacks. At night, I study more, watch movies and TV, and I sleep at 11 p.m. Well, that's all about me. For more information, you can check my CV and contact me by email or by cell phone 19-999-317042. Thank you for watching my video. We shall meet.